It can be frustrating to experience hair loss or get stuck at one length in your hair growth journey. In fact, more than 50% of women experience noticeable hair loss in their lives. You may already be experiencing hair loss, but don't worry. We are on a mission to grow long, beautiful hair. And if that's not where your hair is at the moment, I'm going to show you how to formulate your very own growth stimulating deep conditioner with powerful DHT blockers, rosemary, and peppermint. This will also leave your hair super moisturized. Let's begin. We are going to start out with the water phase of our process. Make sure to use distilled water because it's the purest form of water, and then measure out about 61 grams of it. Then we're going to need some aloe vera juice to help balance the pH of our formulation. Aloe vera juice also assists with issues such as dandruff and scalp itchiness. Now we are going to add some panthenol into our formulation. Panthenol helps your hair look shinier and fuller. Add about 3 grams of it. The last ingredient for our water phase is glycerin. Glycerin helps to attract moisture to your hair, and it also helps to moisturize your scalp. Add 3 grams of glycerin and then mix the water phase. Moving on to our oil-based ingredients, we are going to start off with BTMS 50, which helps to bind oil and liquid ingredients together, and it also helps to thicken the mixture. Add about 6 grams of BTMS 50. The next ingredient is cetyl alcohol. This helps to soften and moisturize the hair, and it also adds detangling properties to your deep conditioner. Add 2 grams of cetyl alcohol. Now we're going to add some butters into the mix. The butters will help to thicken the deep conditioner, and it'll make the overall texture of it smoother, and the butters will also help to add moisturizing properties to this deep conditioner. I'm using Miru, Takuma, and Kupiwasu butter. You can use whichever butters you like. Add in 1 gram of each butter. Now it's time to heat up both your oil phase and your water phase. So set up a hot water bath on the stove and then place both the water phase and the oil phase into the hot water bath. Let the mixtures heat up until the oil phase is completely melted, and then place the oil phase into the water phase and stir it. You can also use an immersion blender. Now it's time for the cool down phase. You can place the mixture in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes so that way it can thicken up, and my deep conditioner has formed a nice thick texture. So of course we need to preserve our deep conditioner, and I'm using a natural preservative called Luicidal SF Complete, and then I'm adding some flaxseed extract so that way it can have even more detangling benefits. And now it's time to add our growth stimulating ingredients. Add about 1 gram of rosemary and then 1 gram of peppermint. And keep in mind that the peppermint oil does tingle, so don't be alarmed if you feel a tingling sensation on your scalp when you apply this deep conditioner. Transfer the conditioner into a jar for easier application, and you want to make sure that you're applying this to freshly washed hair. Now it's time to apply it. I'm applying my deep conditioner to very dry hair so that way you guys can see its moisturizing benefits. And honestly guys, as soon as I applied this and started rubbing it in, my hair instantly soaked it up, and it became more manageable and easier to detangle. Here's how shiny and moisturized my hair is looking with the deep conditioner all applied. Use a shower cap, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. And here are my before and after results. The peppermint in this oil gave my scalp a nice tingling sensation, and it honestly felt relieving. And my hair is looking super moisturized and shiny, and I'm also able to run my fingers through it. I understand that you may not have the time to formulate this type of deep conditioner, so if you're interested in a 1 ingredient deep conditioner, then check out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.